This is Tony with Texas Trees and Lawn Services. We're here at this property removing this big old tree. So as you can see the guy up there cutting it down. You can reach us at 210-867-9641. That's 210-867-9641. Here comes a limb. There's the big old tree. Coming down. Bam! There you go. Another limb. Everybody thinks this is easy, but this ain't really easy work. Not everybody can do this. This tree was huge. It's still big, but it's coming down. Should have it done by today, the rest of it. Of course, workers, it's hot out here. As you can see, we're just way up here. There goes the rope. Those guys like Tarzan. There it goes. Another limb. You know, just a little something.
Hey, I got a badass view, dude.
I bet you do. Downtown, everything right. Again.
I'm on top of the world, ma.
Again.
Like Tarzan.
There's Tarzan up there. Again, this is Tony with Texas Trees and Lawn Services. You can reach us at 867-9641. That's 867-9641. Alright, I'm going to cut this short because we got to get back to work. Here's the guy. That's a beast. Alright guys.